Why does small talk matter in business? You might think, like many of my clients do, they used to think that small talk was useless and a complete waste of time with no point whatsoever. But I'm here to tell you that small talk is the secret sauce to have great success in business, especially when doing business with Americans and also many other countries. First, let me show you a short video I made a number of years ago to to demonstrate what really bad small talk, and I mean really bad small talk, looks like and sounds like. After you watch the video, you can tell me if I will ever be successful in business using this kind of small talk that I use in this video. Take a look at this video and tell me what you think in the comments.
Hi, Grant. Nice to meet you today. How are you today?
I'm I'm good.
Oh, good. Uh, and how's the weather at your place in the moment?
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay. Here's quite sunny. It's quite nice. Uh, and what else is new?
Really nothing. I've been busy.
Okay. How's the hotel?
No, other things.
Okay. And what's to do in the moment? What are your projects?
Oh, so many.
Okay. Good. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, it's not. I also don't have so much to tell in the moment. All the projects are quite well, going quite well.
So, tell me. And for everybody watching, we didn't rehearse this. this is one of my actual clients here who's turned into a great friend.
Yeah.
But so this was an experiment, and I'm making a video to help people understand about small talk. So when I give you answers that are very short, one-word answers, how did you feel? What did you feel when you got from me?
Yeah, you have no chance to react. You have no chance to ask, to continue asking. It's nothing there to continue the small talk or to continue the
Did
talk.
you feel any connection with me?
No connection, and I also needed to think about what I'm asking next, or how can I proceed the talk. It wasn't easy.
Do you think maybe in the future you'll trust me and we'll have a good solid relationship because of a conversation like that?
Not based on this on this communication.
What did you think of that? Maybe you felt like that before. And I know that many of you are not comfortable using small talk in your native language. And many of you are certainly not comfortable using small talk in English. And a lot of you think small talk is crazy. Why do they want to know what I was doing over the weekend? Why are they asking me these crazy questions? But there's a real purpose to small talk. I'm going to give you that purpose. But first, I'm Grant. I'm an executive business English coach. And that means that I've been helping executives, mainly CEOs, communicate naturally, confidently, using English so that they can grow their businesses, they can expand into different countries, they can do anything they want in life and just have the freedom to do whatever it is they want. Now, I have a mission. My mission is to help millions of you feel that same thing. Feel that freedom to do whatever you want to do in life because you are confident using English. Now, let's get back to small talk and why I spend a lot of time with my clients talking about small talk, explaining what it is. Why do crazy Americans do this? What's the point of it? Well, there is a real point to small talk. And from an American business standpoint, it's really true that as an American, you're not going to do business with somebody that you don't trust, and you're not going to do business with somebody that you don't feel some type of connection or relationship with. And those are the two main reasons why we have small talk: to build trust and to build a relationship. And that's really what it is. You're not trying to become best friends, but you certainly don't want to do what I did in that video. There's no way somebody's going to trust me if I answer questions like that in that video. It's not going to happen. You're not going to do business with me. But when people are not comfortable using small talk, often they sound just like I sounded there. How about you? You think you sound like that? Maybe you do. So, what you need to realize is that small talk is really the first step in building trust. It's the first step in building a relationship. It's really what it is. And there are ways for you to help build trust and build a relationship with someone else. So, in the video that I showed you above, Kevin was asking me all these great questions, and I responded with yes, no, I don't know, okay. I gave him nothing. But instead, what I should do is use a strategy that I call the expand and build strategy. And the expand and build strategy is basically ask yourself questions internally like who, what, why, where, how, when. And if somebody asks you a question, how was your weekend? Well, don't just say it was good. Expand on it, build it. My weekend was really nice. The weather was great. I was able to get outside, get some exercise, doing one of my favorite things, riding a bike. Wow. I answered a few of the who, what, why, where, how, when, and it gave a nice answer. But the purpose is that the person is going to start trusting me a little bit, or I'm going to start building a relationship with this person. But I'm not going to do that if I answer the question, oh, how was your weekend? Good. There's nothing there. Nothing. So this is the purpose. This is the secret sauce. You start building a relationship. You start building trust. And every time you have conversations with this person, you continue to build that relationship. You continue to build trust. Because at the end of the day, nobody wants to do business with you unless they trust you and they really feel that there's some type of relationship there. That doesn't mean you need to be best friends and share all these secrets. No. But give somebody something. Give them the expand and build strategy. And you'll really see a big difference in your small talk. Okay, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your comments about small talk because I know how most of my clients feel. They are not comfortable at the beginning. But the good news, you can become comfortable. Give it a try. Tell me how it works for you. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, share your comments, and I also invite you to learn your Business English Confidence Score. You'll find the link in the description below this video.